Hi Facebook, I'm Tammy. Today I'm going to talk about subflooring, specifically AdvanTech. We stock AdvanTech in 3 different sizes: 3/4 inch tongue and groove for flooring, 5/8 tongue and groove, or 5/8 square edge, which typically used on roofing. As you can see, the tongue and groove fits very nicely one into the other for a nice finished, put together surface. The nice thing about the AdvanTech is it doesn't take on water. It doesn't take on moisture. It's got resins in it to prevent it from doing that. And that's why it's such a good product. It has a 50-year warranty, so that speaks pretty highly for it. Its quality and durability. And also we stock the subfloor adhesive for it, specifically designed for AdvanTech. It can be put on wood that's wet, frozen, cold. Doesn't matter what the weather elements are, this can be used. And it's guaranteed not to squeak, which when you're building a new home or even an addition on your home, you don't want your floors to squeak. And it's very, very strong, and that's what this is, a little thing that kind of tells you once you put it together that you can pull, you can hook stuff to this and try to get it off. There's no way that you're getting that apart, and that's what makes that such a good bonding agent, while your floors aren't squeaky and that kind of thing. And from what I've heard from different contractors, it's so much more user-friendly than trying to use a caulking gun. It has a specific gun designed just for this, very similar to a foam gun. Well, thank you for listening, Facebook, and that's what I have for you today.